All right, this is Joey here at Best Trailers. I'm gonna show you today how to check your brakes, make sure you got brakes working, and how to replace them if you need to replace them. Now these are electric brakes. These are 5,200 pound axles. You have two primary sizes you see most often on trailers, 3,500 pound and 7,000 pound. Uses a 10-inch brake and a 12-inch plate. Now, first thing to do is check your power. If you have a truck or a test box, you can put your truck or test box on there. But as long as you got power, this magnet should engage. You can see my Leathermans aren't sticking to the magnet. Where on that one where I got it engaged, the Leathermans are sticking to the magnet. So that magnet's good. That's how you test the magnet the easy way. You're also looking for wear on the plates. This one with the bad magnet, I'll probably go ahead and replace the whole brake plate. It's not much difference between the two. It's just more work to do just the shoe or just the magnet. But if you do have to replace the brake plate, on the 12-inch brake plates, there is 5 bolts here. You pull them off. On the 10-inch, there's 4 bolts. You pull them off. There's 2 wires coming out the back. One is a hot wire, one's a ground wire. Doesn't matter which direction you hook them up. You just got to hook them up. Other than that, that's it. Very easy, self-explanatory plates. Replace the whole brake plate at one time. That's the easy way to do it. Get new shoes. Nothing's seized up. You ain't gonna worry about that. And the magnets. So if you have any issues, let us know. 478-654-5350.